We're at 742 Mays Road. This is my listing out in the Oak Grove area. What a beautiful home, completely updated. And if you need space, if you need room for storage, this is it, with 2 additional buildings that come with this property. These buildings are perfect to store your campers, boats, or have a workshop, or maybe future additional living space. There's so much room here. Come on, let's go take a look. If you're looking for room, this is for you. The home and 2 buildings set on almost 2 acres. Inside the home, you will notice all of the updates. This kitchen has been completely redone with new counters, new backsplash, paint, and beautiful stainless steel appliances. There's also a very spacious eating area. The den has been updated with flooring, modern lighting, and painting, and it is a beautiful area to relax in. The master bedroom and all bedrooms come with spacious walk-in closets. Both bathrooms have also been updated. Here in the master bathroom, you can see the double vanities, the jetted tub, the new shelving, and a beautiful, large, luxurious shower. There's also a large den with a fireplace. This is a great area to gather with friends and family. Now this building behind me, it's the smaller of the 2 buildings. It has 2 garage doors. It runs about 530 square feet, but it's a lot of room in there. Let's go take a look. So this is the larger of the 2 buildings, and it has 3 garage doors, and it's running over 1,600 square feet. It has a ton of room inside. Let's go in and take a look. I mean, and concrete drives with complete turnarounds will connect the house and both buildings together. Boats, campers, trailers, you can bring it all here. If you would like to take a tour of 742 Mays Road, give me a call. I would love to schedule it.